Hello, I'm Ben Tennyson. We will learn about antivirus softwares. An antivirus software scans a file, program, or an application and compares a specific set of code with information stored in its database. If it finds code that is identical or similar to a piece of known malware in the database, that code is considered malware and is quarantined or removed. For example, an activation product is called Norton Antivirus, which was developed and distributed by Symantec Corporation since 1991. This can relate an example to McAfee Secure Antivirus, Avast Antivirus, Kaspersky Antivirus, Bitdefender Antivirus and other products. Without the antivirus system installed, you can use Windows Defender in Windows 10 to scan your local disk drives if there is a malware found on some files. But you'll need to be careful, misuse of the process could result in system damages. You'll be notified as a lot of pop-ups containing ads or fake messages. This is called cybercriminal. Your access would be difficult otherwise. We may have to block all the pop-ups using scan system. Always make sure your PC status must be protected, that there are no threats and malwares. This ensures that Windows smoothly runs. If the status of PC is potentially unprotected or at risk, you will have to start scanning some disk drives. For example, Trojan Horse virus, it is a dangerous program that executes deceptive commands from an attacker. Trojans may allow an attacker to access users' personal information, such as banking information, passwords, or personal identity. It can also delete a user's files or infect other devices connected to the network. Ransomware attacks are often carried out using a Trojan. Other example, such as hack tool Win32 Keygen, which can install other programs unexpectedly or can self-propagate over a network connection. All you have to do is to remove the malware immediately. In the internet access, you could follow these symbols. Lock symbol denotes that connection is secure with a private information. Info symbol denotes the connection is not secure and is still accessible. Warning symbol denotes as not secure and dangerous site. For one thing about the activation product of antivirus, you must enter your product activation code and its username and password. Always make sure that there must be at least one uppercase, lowercase, digit number and a special punctuation. And your account name has to be written. This ensures that PC is well protected. So you now know how to activate antivirus softwares. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.